Hello mga ka-vlog notes. So for today's video, kami ni Daniel ay aalis papuntang SM Hypermarket. Kasi yung SM dito is mag-open siya ng 10 a.m. So we cannot wait kasi wala kaming pagkain for lunch. So Daniel is requested for sabaw and adobo. So kailangan nating mangumpra guys ng maaga para naapatay time to cook for lunch. So, before kami alis, no? So, siguraduhin muna natin na everything is unplugged, aircon is off, and before we leave. For safety purposes, mga guys. So, okay. Mag-lotion muna tayo. Char! Ayan. So, kami ay alis na. Dito na kami sa elevator. We are on the top of the Mount Everest, char. So, andito kami talaga sa 30th floor ng San Veda Tower. Maganda yung view, pero nakaka-scary naman yung elevator. So, while waiting, we are looking for the emergency, what's that? Evacuation plan. Just in case, char. So, ang hirap naman mag-voice over, guys. Uy, kayo na may mag-voice over, babe. Makita nyo naman yung ginagawa namin, char. So, andito na kami sa SM Hypermarket at tumitingin kami dyan ng mga wine. As if naman kung bibili kami, hindi naman, kasi ang tinignan talaga namin yung mango liquor. So, that was last 2017 that day. I have seen that. This time, I've been to 3 winery and wala akong nakikita. So, I think wala. So, wala talaga siya, guys. So, pumunta na kami sa grocery para mag-start na kami ng mga kailangan namin. So, I asked Daniel before if he like the dried mango. And he said, yeah, it's okay. Char. So, ayan. Nagsimula na kaming mamili, guys. Pili kayo dyan. Looking for red horse, honey?
Looking for red horse.
Char. I'm doing the voiceover and he answer me, okay. Alright, so ang hirap pala pag you're not so talkative, and you run out idea. So just look at guys what we do. We're just doing just plain shopping, looking and everything. So kumuha kami dyan ng tubig, 2, and hinayaan ako ni Daniel magkarga, kargador tayo for today's video, mabigat yung tubig, guys. Nawala yung kasexy ko, char. So, ayan, pili na naman what we really needed. We're looking for dressing kasi sabi niya daw maggagawa siya ng salad. So we will try his salad tomorrow. And abangan niyo yung video, char. Of course, nagbablog tayo para may content naman, So, ayan. I do not know what to say anymore. We're just doing shopping. So, I think I have to cut this video a little bit because I'm still 3 minutes doing the voiceover and my video is 13 minutes and 57 seconds. And then, moving forward, guys, tayo. Natapos na rin kaming mamili ni Daniel ng aming mga kailangan. So, umuwi na kami, guys, kasi almost 11 AM na at gutom na yung mga bitok namin. So, kailangan na naming magluto, guys. Kailangan na magluto ng iyong ka-vlog note. So, going up kami sa 30th floor ng San Veda. Ayan kasi yan, pili-pili pa ng magandang view, Nagkatakot naman mag-elevator. Akala mo, ha, Daniel? Sabi mo, takot ka sa height, But what? Oh, ayan. Video pa more. Wala tayong masabi, So, ayan, dumating na kami sa wakas, sa aming room, guys. So, nakakapagod. Ako lang naman mag-a-arrange ng aming grocery. Ako pa rin magluluto. Well, anyway, gusto ko na may pagluto si Daniel, you guys. Para hindi naman siya pumayat bumalik na Amerika. So, ayan. Naghugas ako ng plato before we cook our linatan, kung baga here in Cebuano. Linatan and adobo. So, perfect. So, ayan, iba dyan, Pinakita yung peanut butter niya. Char. Because he loves peanut butter. It's his favorite.
Looking out one direction, then you're cheering on food, then you cutting. Then you're smashing garlic.
Yeah?
Go smash. Smash
Okay.
real good.
So, guys, I make Daniel do the voiceover. Well, because napagod mo magsalita, guys. So, siya naman mag-voiceover.
More cut. Oh, don't forget cut.
Oh, what's cut?
Yes, you gotta cut it. And then you put it in the pan with the butter and sear it a little bit. Add the garlic.
The garlic.
Add the onion.
Mm-hmm.
Turn the temperature down because she thought she was burning it.
Char, are you sure?
Now we add whatever that is, the beef stock.
The Knorr cube, something like that.
Then we brown it.
Mm-mm.
We stir it some more and then cover it and go do something else.
Add some water to make the sabaw, of course, honey. And then, what I'm doing there?
Now we make rice. 3 cups water. Only
No, you're not gonna measure it in your finger. So we have 3 cups of rice over there, and that's it. I'm going to start to cook now the adobo. Someone really requests for
she
adobo.
took the water out of it because she almost tried to use the water. It's going to make me poop for a month.
What? The adobo?
No, the faucet water.
Okay, I think we're just talking here. We're not doing voiceover. Okay,
Must
honey.
eat the adobo. Try the adobo. Make sure it's good.
Make sure it's good, and then I
And then
got
cut
the
it up,
adobo
and then
na.
cut more
Someone
up.
over there is drooling.
My adobo.
Oh, we kissing while doing the voiceover. Char, sana all.
Not supposed to tell them that. And it's my adobo.
Do you think they will enjoy our video, baby? That we're talking here, doing the voiceover.
I don't know. They probably make fun of us. But we gotta have fun, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have fun. It's not gonna be serious. Oh, look at
Dance time. Yay.
Yeah, I'm a good dancer. Don't you know that? And that's it. Someone is really waiting on that behind me, drooling like a tipper.
Shh. It's my nummies.
Wow, my lammy. So I think, guys, I have to cut some of this video here because we do not know what to say. A while, I just do. All right.
Okay, we're getting the sabaw ready. We putting it in a bowl. And then we're getting it all taken over because we're going to eat it all.
Oh my God, we're having cough in the voiceover, Han.
Not my fault you cough.
Okay, someone set up the table inside because he think that sabaw is hot to make her body
Too hot outside to have sabaw, so we got to eat it in the air conditioner.
And then
And then you got to try the orange juice, which you thought was too bitter. But
yeah,
it's good.
it's lammy, honey.
Orange juice is good.
The orange juice, and we do the shake. As per Daniel told me, you've got to shake it all, shake your body, and you make your body move. Char.
Make sure it's all mixed together. 'Cause otherwise, it's no good.
And then I'm gonna ask Daniel to put it closer to have a beautiful, capture on the orange juice in a white glass, in a crystal clear glass. Are you sure? We're doing this.
I think you've
voice-
lost your mind. I think you're going to have to completely redo it. More serious.
No, I don't like to be serious. Serious
my-
can kill you, joke. You just love the sabaw look.
My adobo.
Yeah, we're drooling while we're doing the voiceover, huh?
Oh, yeah, and we just ate it not even, 2 hours ago?
Yup. And then we get some rice and dip it into the sauces, and it's so spicy, so you get more rice. Rice for
Rice,
more.
baby.
Rice, baby. Come on, faster. You're so
I'm
slow.
starving. Hurry up. Come on.
Hurry up, faster. You keep scooping rice there. All right, we go back.
Died
to
from
the-
starvation
We
by now.
unplug first. Oh my God, you have to conserve, what is it, electricity?
Yes.
All right, rock and roll to the world, Char. Do you think our vlog is okay, Han?
I think so. We're going to have to redo everything.
Redo everything. I don't want to go back.
Yep, we're going to recook it all, remake it all, and then
And then that's it, honey. We're ready to eat. And while watching it, I'm hungry right now. I wanted to have an orange juice. Come on, you get an orange juice in the ref, honey. Come on. And then
orange
there's a nice view over there.
nice view.